In this demo, I'm going to show you the use of a script-based action for clearing the old SCCM cache. So that's System Center Configuration Manager or Microsoft Endpoint Configuration Manager if you're using the latest versions. First, I'll go to Triggers. I'll click Add Trigger, and I'm going to select to add an advanced trigger. I'm going to stick with machines for the record type. I'm going to click the filter editor, and I'm going to select free space on system drive. So I selected what suited my environment at the time. So I selected less than or equals to 10 gigs. And this was back when I relied on this script as a ControlUp customer. Okay, I'll include the machines that are currently in that state. I'll set the scope to my Citrix delivery controllers. Now maybe you'll create another trigger that's like 5 gigs and set it to a different scope, whatever suits the machines that you're concerned about. I'm going to select to run an action when this triggers, and the script action is going to be my clear old SCCM cache. Now I could select to send a script execution output to email recipients from here, but I'm going to opt to not do that in this instance. I'll click OK. And what I'll do instead is I will go back and I will click Add again. And this time I'm going to choose Send an Email Alert, and I'm just going to select myself. So I will rename this trigger. Probably best to name this something pretty descriptive like Cleanup Update Cache on delivery controllers, but I'm just going to leave mine as Cleanup Update Cache since this is just a demo in my lab environment. Okay, I'll click Apply. And now comes the challenging part, demoing this in a live environment. So I'm going to go to my Citrix Delivery Controllers folder within my organization. As you recall, the scope that I set in the trigger was Citrix Delivery Controllers. And if I scroll over here to this machine, we can see that currently the free space on system drive is 27.9 gigs. So well above that 10 gig threshold that I set. So with the magic of video editing, you just saw my cursor go over to the right there, I'm going to just fill up that drive, and I'll speed it up with video editing so we're not sitting around just looking at this. So you can see it's starting to quickly deplete. And what the script is actually doing is clearing all of the update cache older than 7 days. Okay, now it's 11:39 on the clock, and oh, just like that, within seconds, that script has executed, and we can see I've got my email to say that it has successfully executed. And you saw that it cleared quite a lot of space, many gigs. So if I was running low on space on the system drive, that would clean up several gigs and alert me so I can go look at it the next day so I'm not dealing with an on-call call from the help desk at 3 in the morning. This is perhaps the most valuable script that I used as a ControlUp customer. I hope you'll enjoy it too.